This weekend, we're making a chair ski.
We just thought it'd be awesome to be able to be out on the lake touring around on a chair, so we thought a ski chair or chair ski.
I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to BROJECTS.
So our first plan blew up because we couldn't find the PVC, and steam bending the wooden skis was a bust.
Our new plan is to use wooden dowels. Luckily, they fit perfectly into a pool noodle. This is going to be a great combination of strength and buoyancy. With this design, we can have an angled back. It's almost like an Adirondack chair.
And using Grandpa's ancient skis
Is going to help us bring this project together and get us out on the lake before we have to head home. So what we've done here is we've assembled our frame for our chair. Then we're going to shove the dowels through the noodles. Beauty. Let's put this thing together so we can...
Yeah. It will float, just will it float with someone in it is, the question.
Kevin's got a fat head, so maybe that'll float.
All right, want to put the skis on?
How's this thing work again?
Let's go in the front of it.
The front of it's this way, so it goes in like that.
Yeah.
Is that right? We need to have thicker feet. Otherwise, this whole thing's just gonna crack.
Yeah.
Do you know what we should have used was mannequin feet? The loons are laughing at us already. Six and 3/4, about 7 there. Last screw.
Let's see what a chair ski looks like. That's pretty awesome, man.
That is pretty awesome. High five.
Chair ski. Wow. This one was kind of easier than normal. We had fun. Just have a great, relaxing weekend. Moment of truth.
Skis are up. Skis are up. Okay, go grab the boat. Okay. I'm just about ready.
Yeah, keep going. I'm touching ground. This is gonna work like a hot damn. Okay, buddy, you ready to go?
Okay, I'm good. Go for it.
All right, do it.
It seemed like I was dragging too much water for the first few goes. Then we switched up the design a little bit. Instead of me holding the tow rope, attached the tow rope directly to the chair ski, and that was a much improved design.
You ready, buddy?
Go.
Go.
Chair ski worked. It was a long haul getting it up. That thing is amazing. It needs some tweaking to get it perfect.
Great project. Andrew got the chair out of the water, did a lot of skiing on it.